Okay, guys. Shima, just do one thing.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
share your screen with me.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I will do the things. Okay. I
Okay,
in the
ma'am.
last session, just pass me the edit control, please. In the last session, we did an example of using
Yes,
text
ma'am.
input.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, we have created a text form, an HTML file, and save it in app1 folder, and another .py, that is my CGI, that is our CGI script, was saved in
Yes.
a test web and CGI folder. So now I will do few more examples on HTML form using different types of inputs like text area, radio button, checkbox, drop down. Okay, so I will show you. Okay, that will be good. Just open the Apache Tomcat. If you have not created any shortcut, okay, go to Bean first. Come to Tomcat 9W. Click on that. Start. Click on start. Then click on OK. You have to start now your Apache Tomcat server so that you can run your CGI script or whatever file you want to run. Okay. So just come back to Tomcat 9.0. Yeah. Go to web apps. Go to app1. Okay. I will create here some form. Okay. Just wait. First I create all forms.
Ma'am, can you please zoom this notepad?
Mm.
Ma'am,
Yes,
can you please tell me the last line that you have written in HTML file?
I will show you.
Okay, ma'am.
What was your question, Punita?
Ma'am, I want to see the last line because I was typing with you.
This is type submit value is select subject. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
If I want to run, okay. If you select this, you cannot select and when you are selecting math, then physics gets soft. Okay, you can select anyone. You can add multiple subjects, but you have to select one. Okay, this is the functionality of ready button. Now, if you click on this submit button, that is select subject, it will just open in a new tab. Okay, that is selected subject is physics. See, because I have mentioned in the form tag, opening form tag, target equal to underscore blank. So it will just open in another tab. Okay, not on the same window. The output will get displayed in another tab. Okay, selected subject is physics. Okay, because you have selected physics. Okay, now if you select math and click on this submit button, then selected subject is math. Understood? Now I will do another example for checkbox. Okay. Look here, I can check both. Okay. You can add more than more than two subjects also in your input type. Okay. In the form of HTML. That is, look, if this is your checkbox, can add some other maths, physics, then biology, okay, then chemistry, okay, you can add. You mentioning input type equal to checkbox, name equal to biology and this and that, okay, or chemistry, this and that. So if I click on this submit button, that is select subject. Look, checkbox math is on, checkbox physics is on. That I have selected both, okay. Now just do one thing. I don't want to select physics, so I want to select only maths. Checkbox math is on, checkbox physics is off. Okay. Now I want to select physics and unselect maths. Now checkbox math is off, checkbox physics is on. Okay. Understand the difference between radio button and okay. Now we work with drop down. That is a list of items. Oh, drop down. Here we don't use this kind of input type equal to radio or checkbox or text. Have to select this something different, that is select tag. Here you can add some other values using option tag. Okay. So why do I select math selected? You can select physics as selected. That is first item needs to be displayed at the top. That's why I have chosen maths as my first item. That's why I've given it selected. Okay. You can choose physics also. It's up to you. You can add some other items and can choose any one of them as selected for making that item to be your first element in the drop down box that is in a list of items. Okay. Look, has come at the beginning. Okay. You will select physics. Okay, just do one thing. There is one thing which I have missed here. Just wait. It is in the drop down form. I have to use that input type. Okay. For submit, just wait. Look, so I have selected. Okay, just do one thing. I give a fresh. By default, maths comes. I want to select physics. Click on submit. Look, selected subject is physics. Okay. I'm closing that. Selected subject is maths. Okay. These are the attributes of this text area tag. Name stands for columns, rows, for. Okay. This is something default line. Okay. telling you what to do within this text area type of input. Okay. What happened? Well, just wait. Yes. Look, this is type your text here. I want to delete this. Write something. This is text area. Or you can write on PGI. Click on submit. Okay. Just wait. Okay. So if you don't write anything, submit, then it will show enter the text content is this, because it will just take a space, okay? But I want to show you. Just wait. I want to show you this part not entered. Okay. So just look. I am just reloading this. Okay. Type your text here. If I put submit, then it will show the text content is type your text here. Okay. Look, now this text content is not entered. Okay. Because I was in the second line. Okay. Now I just remove my cursor to the first line by pressing up arrow. So it will just show enter text content is not entered. Okay. Understood? Understood, everyone? Just let me know.
Yes, ma'am.
So there are many other tags now in HTML. IMG stands for image tag, table tag. Okay. You can work with different types of tag and corresponding attributes. Okay. I have shown here few. Just wait. What happened? I cannot delete this. Okay. So now you can do some sort of MySQL database connection. Okay. You can get value. You can populate your fields with those values. Okay. Like if form dot get value, instead of getting those values from, you can directly retrieve those values from MySQL database. Okay. Or you can do one thing, you can fill up the values here in this HTML form. Suppose first name and last name from some database. Okay. So that things will get populated by those values. Okay. And then it will just Then it will just execute this user post.py, that is the CGI script, okay, to display whatever first name and last name in another tab or maybe in the same window. That's up to you. But this is how you can do. Okay, you can work with the database. Okay, understand what I am saying? Okay, so you can stop sharing your screen. Just wait. Okay. Okay, Shima, you can just stop sharing your screen with me. Okay, just stop sharing your screen with me. Okay. How many of you have understood up to what I have covered, like in the MySQL session, and in Apache Tomcat and web scraping using beautiful soup request and JSON. Okay. So JSON is used to for uh, to convert the JSON type strings and JSON type files to Python objects and Python, and we can store in our own different formats. Okay, that is just so we can easily comprehend and work with those JSON object if we convert them to if we convert JSON string to Python string or Python object, and JSON files to Python object, and save in our save in some save it in our own laptop using some other extensions. So, okay, it's up to our choice how we want to work with different types of formats. Okay, so just let me know that web scraping part is done using CGI script, executing CGI script on a browser is using Apache Tomcat server is done, and also MySQL database connection is done, and how to integrate Python with MySQL database for data for value insertion, updation, deletion, and different kind of DDL and DML operations have been done. So just let me know what are the doubts you have, if any. Just let me know, because after that I will move on to a new concept, that is statistics. Okay, so I will not give any further explanation, or I will not take any session further on these things, on these three main things. Okay, because business analytics is a theoretical part, it is for your understanding when you work in an industry. Okay, how then you have to design considering different criteria. So the business analytics part has been done, okay, with some sort of examples, okay, and explanation of different models. But now, we are to and also I'll try to give you some explanation with few examples on different types of testing procedures, okay, or what are the different tools available for conducting such testing or survey. Okay, for implementation your product, okay, or service, or to achieve your project in time. Okay, how can an organization achieve its goal? Okay, so that's some kind of theoretical and conceptual part, design related part, know how to use technology and tool where, okay, and when. That is related to business analytics. But when it comes to technical part, then you have to learn the use of beautiful soup package or request package JSON for to learn about different data format conversion or web scraping and this kind of stuff. Okay, and also you have to learn the database related connection with my Python. How can we integrate Python environment with database? Okay, MySQL, and then come here your Apache Tomcat server, which is used to execute CGI scripts with the embedded HTML or some HTML form will invoke CGI scripts, that is .py files, where HTML is embedded also, and gets executed on a web browser. Okay, so we see the mechanism how to run. Okay, so just let me know what are the things now uh, you have faced, that is, what are the things now you have considered as issues, okay, that is, you have faced as difficulties. Okay, so just let me know so that I can clarify. I obviously try to clarify your doubts. So one by one. Okay, Shima, just tell me, is there any issue? Is there any issue in what I have covered and what have been covered in the last few sessions?
Ma'am, I have doubt in connection with the server. How to connect my MySQL with the server. But I will practice. Then I will let you know.
MySQL, just tell me how MySQL server, what is the problem? Just share your screen with me.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, just give me a moment. Just you stop sharing your screen. I will come to you. Okay, Ujjal, do you have any doubt? Ujjal?
At this point, I don't have any doubt now.
Okay. Raj Kamal, do you have any doubt? Raj Kamal, do you have any doubt?
Hello, ma'am.
Do you have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Pavani, do you have any doubt?
No, ma'am, I'm following. No doubts.
Okay. Vidisha, do you have any doubt? Vidisha, are you there? Are you listening to me? Are you listening to me? Please respond to me. Vidisha, are you there? Okay. Punita, do you have any doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
Where?
Ma'am, I'm unable to connect my PC with this localhost 8080.
Just share your screen with me.
Yes, ma'am.
Then I come to Shima, okay?
Ma'am, is it visible?
No, it is not visible.
Ma'am, every time I'm facing some issues like this.
Where? Give me the edit control.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, given.
Why are you printing this here?
Ma'am, I tried on every
No. This is an URL, like URL, na? So you have to print it, na?
Oh, no. Baji.
Voice, Punita.
I'm just. Baji. धीरे
Where did you install Apache Tomcat? Where have you installed?
Ma'am, it's in ma'am app data and then in program files.
I've removed that from app data. Okay. Where is your this PC folder?
Ma'am, it's here in the taskbar.
Yes, this is your not in app data. This is under the C drive program files Apache Tomcat 9.0. Okay. This is your welcome.py. You have to start first. You have not started, Punita. This Tomcat 9W. Okay. Have to start every time when you want to run your files on Apache. Okay. Files using Apache on a browser, you have to start your Apache Tomcat server here by clicking twice on this Tomcat 9w.exe. Okay. Now click on OK. Yes. Understood? Punita? Punita? Understood? Please respond to me, Punita. Punita, understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Is there any problem?
No, actually, that only I wasn't able to get that. I'll have to start
You just
Apache
copy
Tomcat
this
twice.
path, okay, and
Yes, ma'am.
paste it on a notepad.
Yes, ma'am.
And just remember one thing in your mind, you have to double click on this Tomcat 9W.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Select the startup type as manual and click on start. And then
Yes,
press
ma'am.
on OK. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just minimize or close whatever you want. Do you have any other query?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so do one thing, you just, when the video gets uploaded, you just take down all such examples and you know where to keep what.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
practice yourself. Okay, to
Yes,
practice
ma'am.
yourself. Okay. Okay, so you can stop sharing your screen with me and mute. Okay, Shima,
Yes, ma'am.
just share your screen with me and
Okay,
tell me where is your problem in MySQL database.
ma'am, how to connect MySQL server with the database? I want to know.
Okay, give me the edit control, please.
Okay, ma'am. Given, ma'am.
Thank you. Where is your MySQL server located? MySQL database.
Ma'am, C drive.
Okay. Just open that location where you have saved. Come, this MySQL. Come to MySQL. Just before, yes, just before Realtek.
Yes, ma'am.
You have installed all these. Okay. You have installed full, complete.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'm clicking on this part. Yeah. I'm clicking on the start button. It was not working. Okay. That's working. Come to this. Now your workbench. I want to open the command line. What is the password? I have said something.
Ma'am, Seema.
This is working, na?
Yes, ma'am.
What problem you are facing? It is opening. So what is your problem?
Ma'am, when we write a program on this workbench, then how it will show on the browser?
Browser? Why do we need to show anything on the browser? I need to connect with Python to from that is executed on Jupyter notebook, na?
Yes, ma'am.
That is how to insert, update, delete values. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So what is what I cannot understand. How can you what sort of things you want to do? Just tell me.
Ma'am, when we work on workbench, then it show on the command prompt. It will show on the command prompt. Like, yes, ma'am, on this screen it will show.
What happened? Tell me.
Then, ma'am, how it will show on this screen?
How will it? I cannot
Data,
understand.
ma'am, data.
This is your MySQL command prompt, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And this is something which I have told you how to work on MySQL workbench. Okay.
Yes,
And when you have to connect with Python module, Python programming, so you can how can you insert using some Python some sort of snippets of coding using Python programming language to insert, update, delete, or do some data definition language operation like DDL or DML, whatever operation you want to perform, you or creating procedure, trigger, cursor, whatever you want to do, you can do. Okay, so that is that sort of coding will be done on Jupyter notebook. Okay,
yes.
so what are the things you want to show, or what are the things you want to do? If you want to retrieve some values from the database, that will get be printed out on your Jupyter notebook. Remember?
How to connect MySQL with the Python?
Just open the Jupyter notebook. There is a session now on MySQL.
Yes, ma'am.
Just open that one, then you can understand.
Ma'am, by using MySQL Python connector, we can connect.
That's a different thing. I'm telling about the snippets of code through which I am connecting. That's a the driver that is used for connection. I'm not if you don't use driver, then now no program will run. Okay, that is not that is not what I have to do. Okay, driver comes with MySQL software. That is, there are different kinds of connector, JDBC connector, ODBC connector. Mm, So I'm not dealing with hardware issues or driver issues. I have to do some sort of coding on Python so that I can work with my MySQL database.
Ma'am, this
Just
one,
open, yes, open that one, Shima. Come,
Yes.
come, come.
This one.
Yes, this is how you have to do.
Okay, ma'am.
So before that, you have to import now, import MySQL connector and import get pass. Remember, you can also go through the video. You have to watch the video again. Okay.
Okay,
Then you
ma'am.
can understand. All explanations have been done. Okay. Okay, just scroll up a little bit. Scroll up, scroll up, scroll, not scroll down. Dear, I have to I have told you to go up, move up. Yes, come to second line.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, just come to second line. Just run. Control enter, not enter.
Sorry, ma'am.
Shift. Don't need to execute this line, import OS. That is required when you want to set some kind of environment variables and corresponding values and want to execute that thing. Okay, just come to import get pass. Just there is a line. Just come, down, 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 down. Come a little bit down. Scroll down. Yes, import get pass. Import get pass. Just run.
Yes, ma'am.
Then run this.
Ma'am, this one?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Give username root. Enter. Yes. Give your password. Enter.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't save. Okay. So this is the case. Now execute following line.
Ma'am, this one?
Yes. Press shift enter.
Shift enter.
Hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now press shift enter again. Press shift enter. Press shift enter. Okay, just hold. Just go to cursor dot execute 12th line. Yes, press shift enter. Press shift enter. Press shift enter. Just wait. Nothing was present. That was nothing comes. Okay, just do one thing. Go to the database. Go to the database, MySQL Workbench.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just run second line to ninth line, eighth line, second line to eighth line. Select second line to eighth line. You cannot,
Okay.
are you not able to select second line to eighth line? I've told you second to eighth, not first to eighth.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Now click on Just the right button of the save. No, come. Just above that line, first line, there are some options now available on the first line.
Yes, ma'am.
No, there are some options available on the first line.
Ma'am, here.
Yes. Not that one. Yes. The left one. Yes. Execute the selected portion. Yes. Done. Go back
Yes.
to your Jupyter notebook. Come to the 8th line. Come to the 8th line. Press Shift Enter. Again. Okay. Go back again. A little bit up. Little bit up. Up. Go. Go. Okay. Okay, do one thing. Come. Come. Yes. Come down. I have told you, na, come down.
Yes,
Come
ma'am.
down. Yes. Now go. Come to the 11th line. Okay. Just go to the workbench. Go to MySQL workbench.
Okay, ma'am.
Just only exit. Select the 10th line, not 9th. Only select the 10th line. Have you selected? Yes. Just come. No, the right part. Yes. Clicked or not clicked?
Yes, ma'am. Clicked.
Okay, come to Jupyter notebook.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just do one thing. Just execute this line again. Again. Okay, do one thing. Go up.
Yes, ma'am.
Just create this connection again. But it should show now. Just can you give me the edit control? Have you? Oh, okay, you have passed me. I am doing. Just wait. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, what happened? You have to run this connection again because I have kept this buffer equal to true now. So it just holds the values of previous state. So you have to run the connection again. Okay. If you remove this buffer equal to true, then you can easily retrieve all these values. But I have done this buffer equal to true for insertion, updation, deletion. Just remember, I've told you when you want to update more than one row or insert more than one row or delete more than one row, there will be a session readout problem. So you have to give a buffer. Okay, buffer to your cursors. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
buffer in your memory. Okay, so that all the results will be stored and fetched one after another without the session readout problem, without the session readout issues. Okay, that's why I have made buffer equal to true. But when it comes to select equal to that is select statement, when you are doing some sort of fetching, then buffer equal to true can be avoided. Okay, but if you mention, then you have to set up your connection again. Okay, for the second time. Okay, because it will hold the previous state of the values now. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So is there any problem, is there any issue related to MySQL?
No, ma'am.
Okay, if you use delete, just wait. If you use this delete statement, okay, then again commit, then it will work. But you know, this is not this id column is not primary key, so you have to do one thing. You just you have to just, yes, this thing, say you have to set sql self updates equal to 0 and run it, then you have to delete and commit. Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Because I have shown you now there, you can do either go to edit and then under edit you can go to preferences and then you can just go to this SQL editor and then you can just uncheck it, but then it will not check if you have no primary key in your table. So it is you may forget to check it again, so it is better to write code. Okay, so you just set SQL self updates equal to 0, then it will you can delete any row from a table if there is no primary key. Okay, id is not null but not primary key. Not null means it does not take any null values, but it can take duplicates. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
and when some column is mentioned as unique, that means it can take null values, but it can take only unique values, not duplicates. So when a
Duplicate.
column is both unique and not null, okay, not null and unique, then that column can be considered as primary key. Okay, for the table. Okay, so this is the case. Now, do you have any other query?
No, ma'am.
Okay, just wait. Okay. Okay. So you can stop sharing your screen with me. Okay. Okay. Vidisha, are you listening to me? I didn't interact with you in the last few sessions, so I cannot
Yes,
understand
ma'am.
what problem you are
Ma'am, I have
having.
a net problem, ma'am.
Hmm?
Ma'am, I have a net problem.
Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
have you practiced?
Yes, ma'am. But my computer has some problems, so I have many problems that this session. But after some days, I just practicing.
Oh, you are not allowed to do that. You cannot do that, okay?
Okay,
Because
ma'am.
if you think that after a few sessions you will come to me and I will give you time, okay? And I will allow you, then you are wrong. You are thinking wrong because I may deal with some different parts at that time, okay? And
Okay,
why did you not attend few sessions in the last few sessions? I have no I noticed that you were absent from the sessions. What happened to you?
Ma'am, due to net problem, I can't attend, ma'am.
So have you informed the same to Mr. Shunit Chaudhary or Anish?
Yes, ma'am. Due to net problem, I can't messaging, so
No,
that's why
you don't need to send me message on WhatsApp. Okay, you have to inform to Anish or Mr.
Okay.
Shunit Chaudhary. Did you
Okay, ma'am.
inform them? Any one of them?
No, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
So why do we arrange any session? Any you have to do one thing only. Uh, you cannot ask me questions on your doubts in the latter sessions, because then I will deal with some other parts and I will not continue with these parts. Okay, so you should do one thing. You just visit you just visit YouTube. You just watch whatever have been uploaded there. Okay,
Okay,
and
ma'am.
if you have any issues, just do you have any friends in this team?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so there are guys. Ujjal, okay, is a very good
Okay.
guy. Try to connect with him. Try to learn. Okay, there
Okay,
are
ma'am.
a few more guys who attended every session, like Shima, Punita. Okay,
Okay.
you and you can consult with Shubham.
Okay, ma'am.
Nirjar, okay,
Okay,
and
ma'am.
Raj Kamal, okay. Raj
Okay.
Kamal was absent, so I suggest Ujjal's name, okay.
Okay.
And so you just clarify your doubts with them, okay,
Okay.
after watching the videos.
Okay.
Okay, so I don't want to start today's session on statistics, okay. So I'm just leaving this. I just want to leave the session here. Okay. Anish, you can stop recording today. Okay. I don't want to continue